Making keys to RVs can be a bit of a pain in the butt. I know there's simple locks, there's different keys, you're impressioning them, you're spending a lot of time at it. I am a real big fan of this tryout set of keys. And this is the big set that fits the TriMark. So this is for TriMark RVs. It's a master key set and I think some change keys in there maybe. And I've got the FIC, which is an extremely popular RV. So for recreational vehicles, campers, trailers, this is the tryout keys. And they're not expensive, and they got a special on them. I'll put the link here. It's a great set. Puts all my bits and pieces in one spot. And for the price of these keys, I'll recover the money the first job I get. And I'm going to go right now and test. I have a TriMark camper lock, and it's locked. I'm going to, easy to pick, of course. And yes, I can impression it, but it's so easy just to stick in the key and try it. So RVs have always been a pain in the butt, so I've got the TriMark set. This is the FIC, which is very, very popular. And of course, the one I don't have, there's a little 2-key set, which is the change key, master key set for the global locks. So I haven't really run across a lot of globals, but I'm going to get the tryout set anyways. But again, lots of TriMarks, lots of FICs. Let's go try out the tryout keys, and let's see how quick we can make a key. Here's the camper lock. It's a TriMark lock, very popular. You can use a Y11 key, yeah, easy to impression. Sometimes there's even a code on it. But all we got to do really is just take the tryout keys, and again, we do so many of these, and just, we should lube it first, but again, these things are so simple. There's nothing to them. So here we go. There's the key. So here's the key that fits and turns the lock, opens and closes it really easy. Again, these locks are so simple. I'm just going to cut it now. I got a bunch of blanks of these in the service truck. I'm just going to cut it and give it to the customer. So there it is. I could use a Y11, but customers like to have the square keys. So this is a TM, what is that? A TM8? Yeah, it's a TM8, 1608. So an Ilco number 1608 or a TM8. Just cut it, give it to the customer, and they are so happy. Give them 2 keys.